I am the victim of several offences, the details of all of which I gave to the police. The police, deliberately in collusion with the accused persons, are investigating only some of those allegations and have deliberately not added any of the necessary sections to the investigation after registering the FIR. What am I supposed to do to convince the police to add those sections as well? This was a question posed to me by a client recently, to whom I advised that you should immediately approach the court of the magistrate for monitoring of the investigation under section 156 clause 3 of the criminal procedure code, also citing the very often cited judgment of Sakiri Vasu to say that the magistrate court has power to not only direct the police to register FIR under section 156 clause 3, but the same provision also gives the magistrate the power to monitor the investigation even after the FIR has been registered. And you go to the magistrate and you show that my complaint discloses all of these cognizable offences which the police refuse to investigate properly, and compliance must be done. On a lot of occasions, the magistrate court is very, very helpful. But even otherwise, the moment the matter reaches the court, the police also have no option but to investigate the matter properly. On most days, they can come up with excuses, but then you have the magistrate to set them right. Even otherwise, if the police, after all of this, file a charge sheet that is a completed investigation report in which they do not mention the sections which are applicable as well because of your complaint and your statements, you can always, at the time of arguments on framing of charge, argue that from the entire investigation, despite what the police say and think, these other sections are also made out. And on a lot of occasions, we've been able to get extra sections added despite reluctance by the police in adding any of these sections. You just need to be persistent. You just need to be persistent before the court of the magistrate initially, during the investigation is going on, and after the investigation is completed, also at the stage of framing of charges, you will be able to get the necessary sections added.